It's been like literally like 2 minutes and I've already seen 2 police cars drive that way down this road, and I'm really hoping that they don't notice me. I'm on the side of the road underneath the highway. Roads are public property. Let's just say this is the most legal place I've done anything. 5 coats Plasti-Dip, 2 coats orange, 1 coat metallizer, 2 coats clear. That's what? I don't even know how many coats that is. That's like 10 coats. Good Lord, 10 coats of paint. I'm gonna be here a while. I don't think I even started painting the wheels yesterday until 4 p.m. and I was working on those until 9. So, I really hope this goes faster. I guess I'm just gonna raise the windows and start taping it off and just run with it. Got some guidelines placed down. Pretty much just followed this body line down and then just, I guess, eyeball it down to here. And also, by the way, in typical Florida fashion, it might rain. God damn it. It might definitely rain. Fucking damn it. I didn't want this. I didn't want this to be a 3-day project. I wanted to be done with it. You hear me, I-95? You hear me, nature? I wanted to be done with it. Ah! I like this spot because there's no homeless people. But I realize now, I'm the homeless people. I'm the crazy vagabond that spews nonsense in the middle of the street. Fuck me. I think I'll go home. You know what? There's no battling this. I can't do anything about this. What the fuck? Just, yeah. All my shit's in the back seat. God damn it. What do I do? I can't stay here. The second day in the row that I drove all the way downtown to find a spot. The last place I went to, it was like a nice abandoned parking structure, you know? I went down there and there was 2 homeless people and at least 1 guy that might not have been homeless, but he was just hanging out on his phone texting. And I'm like, whoa, what the fuck? Ah, it's actually raining now. Fuck. Getting the tape there was a bitch. Fucking pain in the ass. Actually, I will document this. I will document this right now. For future reference, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this part out. It's really coming down now. I gotta get the fuck out of here. You know what? I got the measurements on the tape. I have to take it off. Look at what's happening. And I'm gonna say this right now. If I had started an hour earlier, I would be fucked. I would be completely 100% fucked. I'm gonna pack this shit up and I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. All right, we're back. It's Monday afternoon. It's about 6 p.m. It's the middle of fucking rush hour. But let's get this shit done. It looks like it's gonna be a good fucking day. I say that, but that's the first time I actually looked at the sky critically. Fuck it, let's just do it. It's really not pretty, but it'll work. It's 7 p.m. Visibility is 0. While I would like to be there in the light, it's kind of still an active road. I want to move the car, but like I said, visibility is 0, especially when it's over here looking like a fucking ghost from Halloween. I should probably go up there. This will be interesting. Oh yeah, this is fucking perfect. Look at this. I'm just gonna creep around that fucking corner right there. Come off, but I don't even think I taped that part. This side's all right. It's a tiny bit breezy, but the good news is it's cooling down a little bit. Those look like storm clouds, or it's dark. I don't fucking know. Anyways, let's just get this shit done. Fuck's sake. It's been like literally like 2 minutes, and I've already seen 2 police cars drive that way down this road. I mean, it was public property when I was underneath the overpass, but I mean, this is an abandoned lot, which is technically trespassing. Technically, a little bit trespassing. Son of a bitch. I've seen 10 fucking coats of paint. 5 coats. You know what? Yeah, 5 coats. All right, let's just go. Let's just do it. Well, it's not threatening to rain, but it's definitely lightning right now. Makes it an extra spooky Halloween. Time for orange. This is when I figure out if it's gonna work or if it was a fucking massive mistake. There it is. 2 coats. This is looking really nice and glossy. Lay down a nice spattering of metallizer, and I really want those 2 clear coats. All right, I've got the metallizer on there, and I have got to tell you, you really need the metallizer for this orange to pop, and man, does it actually do a really nice job. Oh my God. Fuck yeah. Jesus Christ. Ugh. The only bad thing about the metallizer, I'm not sure if you can really see it. Let me bump up this. It makes it orange peel like fucking crazy, but you know, from afar, it's gonna look pretty fucking bitchin'. Now is the time. We've gotta tear all this shit off. Let's go. Plasti-Dip, no overspray. That orange shit definitely got under the plastic wrap somehow that I so very carefully extra taped down. Somehow still got over here a lot. This was completely taped over and I have no idea how it got through there, but well, with the concoction of paints that I have here, it's gonna take a little while to dry. And it's humid, and it sucks. Theoretically, I could dry this at highway speeds. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna drive my ass on home and hope to fuck it's dry by the time I get there so I can peel this tape off. The only thing I think that could not have been avoided is the way the metallizer textures the paint. It's like really thick. It's like, it's not orange peel, it's more like elephant skin, where it's all like, you know, cracky, but a lot of it's still flat. Hopefully it'll look nice in the morning. Hopefully it'll look nice in the daylight. Hopefully it'll look nice when it's dry. A lot of hopefullys. There's some more lightning. Really means I should get the hell out of here. The first time I've sat in my driver's seat for, what fucking time is it? It's 8:45. So I've been out here since, Jesus Christ, when did I leave work? I think I got here about 5:40 and it's 8:40 now. So that was about 3 hours. Still, somehow took way less time than painting the wheels. What the fuck was with that? What the fuck was with that? Why did painting the wheels take me 5.5 hours? All right, let's pack up and get the fuck out of here before we get rained on or struck by lightning. So, it's dry to the touch, but something I notice is that the paint wants to rub a little bit still. Now I'm not sure if that's the rubber, like the Plasti-Dip underneath it, not fully cured, but I have to see what this looks like. All right, here we go. Damn, it actually happened. I think I lost my way somewhere along this point because there was definitely still some more, but look at that. Because of the Plasti-Dip, well, it's not fucking cured. So that's kind of shitty. But that would peel right off. And holy fuck.
There's this few, oh shit, I can do that right now too. Brilliant. It needs to be cleaned up just a little bit here and here, but look at it. Holy shit.
It didn't turn out like crap.
Really gonna have to look at this again in the daytime because Jesus Christ, is it dark out. All right.
3 days, painted the wheels, and I got the fucking decals on. It took me 3 days. All right, it's time to go the fuck home.
Jesus Christ. All right, so here it is, all cleaned up. There's some scuffs in the paint from having to get rid of all of that overspray. The overspray actually wasn't that difficult to get rid of because it just came off the same way pretty much I took off the pinstriping with the Goo Gone. I tell you man, that Goo Gone stuff, it works wonders. So things I'm a little bit disappointed about. Obviously the cracking because of the metallizer, and honestly the finish of the metallizer really didn't change the paint that much at all with the clear coat on. The clear coat definitely like really made the color pop. Usually that's what a clear coat does. If I had to do it again, I'd be a little bit more careful with the clear coat. I might not ever use metallizer again unless I can figure out some way to use it where it's not wrinkly and weird like this. I don't understand why that happens. This actually happened in the tests I did in the other video. Actually, you know what? You can see a little bit of the flakes from the metallizer. You can see it right here where I had to cut these short on both sides because I didn't quite make it all the way. Actually, you can barely see that. That's incredible. But yeah, there's definitely like a little gouge in here from when I was cutting it. I don't have to go over and fix with polishing compound. Can you paint over Plasti-Dip? You absolutely can. You can clear coat over Plasti-Dip. I'm not sure if you can sand the clear coat. I haven't tried, and honestly I'm not sure if I am ever going to. If you absolutely want to be able to remove your paint or a decal or anything, Plasti-Dip is definitely the way to go. If you want to get a crazy decal, you should probably just get a vinyl decal. Because like, just to get a little vinyl sticker decal like this and apply it, probably would have been way faster and way simpler and probably a little bit cheaper than actually going through all the effort of taping off and, you know, applying it and all that shit. It's just, I don't know. I just don't fucking know. But it's on my car and it looks decent. I could remove it if I wanted to. That's the great part about it. If I were to do the wheels again, first of all, if I wanted to Plasti-Dip the wheels again, I would just paint the whole rim black. If I wanted to do this particular style of rim with the two-tone like black and alloy, I would have absolutely not given a fuck about the Plasti-Dip, just spray painted it matte black, and then I would have just sanded down the inside bits and then clear coat over the whole thing to protect it. That would have come out with a way better final product than I think the little weird like frayed rubber edges that it has now. This is just telling me that I don't need a new paint job. I can do stuff to this paint job to make it look cool for not a whole lot of money. This, I think 3 cans of Plasti-Dip, 4 cans of Plasti-Dip between the wheels and the decal. Bottle of whatever the fuck spray paint color you wanted. I had a bottle of metallizer. Just don't use the metallizer. Like what the fuck? And then just the clear coat. So that's like what, $30, $40? Ugh, that's kind of expensive actually. That's a lot of paint. And let me see here. Needed tape, needed tarp. The bare minimum you need to do this. I mean, especially the decal. The decal, 1 can of Plasti-Dip, 1 can of color, 1 can of clear. That's like what? You could probably buy those 3 things for less than $20. This is only a temporary phase in this car's existence. I'm not gonna pretend like it's a secret because I've showed you guys like 3 million different concept images by this point. And this is just my way of postponing the inevitable. Well, that's it for this video. Maybe tune in next when I do something that's probably not this car, even though it might be this car. I don't know. Spent 3 days on this, fuck.